Hi everyone, I'm Prakhar Vijayavargiya, 22-year-old commerce graduate. I'm currently enrolled in MBA program in Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal. I'm in section 6. City of Lakes, Bhopal is my hometown. Talking about my hobbies, I love to experiment with things. Specifically, technology is a sector that attracts me a lot. The things which make me happy are not limited, but I can list a few here. Firstly, I love cooking my own food because I can experiment with my taste buds. Then there are my pets, my fishes, my turtles, which make the environment so lively in our house that I just love them. Also, I love going on rides with my friends. Talking about MBA, I chose MBA as a career option because I want to start something of my own. And MBA will help me in achieving the necessary experience and work ethics, which will help me in building a career path of my own. In the last, I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali and thank you.
Hello sir, hello ma'am, and hello everyone. This side Abhishek Verma. I pursuing MBA from your college and my section is 6. Today I going to tell you that what thing I always which make me happy. I love to being a tablaist and this is not only my hobby but also my passion from last 2 years. And tabla is the favorite passion of my soul. Apart from my tabla classes, whenever I am free, I play tabla. So, this is my energy boost.
Hello ma'am, hello sir, and hello guys. This is Yashvardhan Mehta pursuing MBA from your college and my section is 6. तो ये जो टॉपिक है हैप्पी मी, मैं उसके ऊपर अपनी बातें बताने आया हूँ कि मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ेदार चीज़ क्या लगती है. पहले तो हाँ, मैं हो सकता है फंबल हूँ क्योंकि मैंने कोई स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग नहीं करी हुई है. तो जो भी बातें हैं मैं इंस्टेंट अपनी बातें मतलब इंस्टेंट बोल रहा हूँ, दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता कि अपनी चीज़ें बताने के लिए कोई आपको स्क्रिप्ट की ज़रूरत है. मज़ेदार चीज़ बताने के लिए सबसे पहले तो हाँ, तो अपने टॉपिक पे आता हूँ. तो हैप्पी मी, तो मुझे आप मेरे रूम का एम्बियंस देख के ही समझ गए होंगे कि मैं एक म्यूजिशियन हूँ. ये मेरा स्टूडियो भी है, रूम भी है. तो मेरा स्टेज नेम है सम्राट म्यूज़िक. सम्राट म्यूज़िक क्या है, पहले मैं आपको उससे इंट्रोड्यूस करा दूँ. सम्राट म्यूज़िक वो बंदा है जो कि आपकी फीलिंग, आपके इमोशन अपने टंग यानी जो उसका पेन है वो उससे लिखता है और अपने गानों में बताता है, जिससे लोग ईज़िली रिलेट भी करते हैं. तो लोग मिलके कहते भी हैं कि भाई मज़ा आया. और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि मैं मतलब जो गाने लिखना है वो मैं मतलब राह चलते हुए मैंने गाने लिखे हुए. तो ऐसे मतलब इतनी मज़ेदार चीज़ लगती है मुझे. और दूसरी बात, अब थोड़ा सा प्रमोशन कर दूँ मैं कि आप मुझे है ना गूगल पे भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. आप मुझे जितने भी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उस पर सर्च कर सकते हैं. मैं ऑफिशियली वेरीफाइड हूँ एज अ आर्टिस्ट यूट्यूब पे. तो बस यही है, मज़ेदार चीज़ है, तभी मैं इससे रिवॉर्ड भी ले रहा हूँ. तो मुझे है ना मतलब बहुत मज़ा आती है ये चीज़ करने में. आप मतलब एक्साइटमेंट देख रहे होगे मेरी बातों में, ठीक है. तो और यही चीज़ है. और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा आइपर को, सर को, मैम को, कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया अपने बारे में बताने का. मुझे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट थी कि मैं अपने बारे में बताऊं. तो थैंक यू.
Good morning, everyone. I am Lucky Sahu. I am belong to Bhopal, and I have two brothers. We are three siblings, and I am pursuing my MBA in Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal, and I complete my graduation in BCom Computer from Bhopal, and I complete my schooling in Swami Vivekananda Higher Secondary School. And my hobbies are listening music and reading books. And my passion is modeling. That's all about for me, and thank you.
I put my armor on, I'll show you that I'm unstoppable.
Hello, I am Pallavi Gadikar from Section 6. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about what makes me happy. So, my greatest joy is when I see my mom and dad happy. It's emotionally, I know. So, let's talk about practically. I love morning walk. I love to long drive and alone. And I love cooking. उसमें न्यू न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने और सबको प्यार से खिलाना. एंड आई लव न्यू न्यू क्रिएटिविटी ऑल्सो. मैंने वीडियोज़ में शो किया है, आप देख सकते हैं. फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.
मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे. रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे
बादलों की हो पर्दे, शाखे हरी पंख चले.
की मिली है वजह. कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है. तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सामान.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाया. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild.
Hello everyone, this is Neelam Vasani, student of Hyper College, Section 6. So it's an immense pleasure for me to share my views on the topic, what makes me happy. So when we talk about happiness, it gives an outlook of smiling faces, joyfulness, cheerfulness. I would like to start my word with the definition of happiness, that what happiness is exactly. So happiness is a state of mind, or you can call it as inner satisfaction. So there are many parts of life that makes me happy. First comes my family. The love and care, the intense love and care which I get from them is like just amazing, which makes me really happy from within. And secondly is that I teach poor students who are like unable to pay the fees. So teaching them also makes me feel very very happy. And since I was very small, I used to feed the street dogs and all, cows and all. So feeding them also gives me like happiness. So on the concluding part, I would like to conclude that happiness lies in accepting the present situations of our life and enjoying it. Thank you.
Hello, myself is Sonika Verma. I'm from Section 6 and I would like to tell you about what makes me happy. What makes me happy is by my internal and long term happiness is by following the path of Dharma. It is really important to me to follow the path of Dharma as a person, as an individual. And the other things are when I play basketball, and whenever I feel play basketball, it makes me happy and I really feel relieved and relaxed, and I feel good. And the other things which makes me happy is I really like to do doodling also, and I want to show you some of my doodlings. These are And I also I'm kind of very introvert, and I'm also a very foodie, and I really like to go to different places and eat delicious and different kind of foods, and it really makes me happy. And I'm also very I'm really like love my family, and I love to be in with them, and it really makes me happy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. It's a great pleasure to introduce myself before you. My name is Devin Nagar. I am from Beragar. We are three siblings. My father is a farmer and mother is a housewife. My hobby is playing cricket and I love painting. I have completed my schooling from Mayflower Public School and I have completed my graduation from Kopal College from Excellence. I am pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research भोपाल. खालसा सर ने पिछले इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम में एक बात कही थी, खुशनसीब होते हैं वो जिनके पास माँ बाप दोनों होते हैं. मेरे पास 5 है, दादा दादी नानी और मम्मी पापा. लाइफ का गोल बस इतना ही है, इतना पैसा कमा सकूँ, इनको संभाल सकूँ. वही जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन है, वही लाइफ सेटिस्फेक्शन है. लाइफ का हैप्पी मोमेंट ओनली पेंटिंग है. जब अपसेट होता हूँ या एंग्री होता हूँ तो पेंटिंग करने लगता हूँ, ऑटोमेटिक माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता है, उन बातों पर ध्यान ही नहीं जाता है, पूरा कॉन्सनट्रेट पेंटिंग पर हो जाता है, तो बिल्कुल फ्री माइंड हो जाता है.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Sharma. I am from Gadarwara, district Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh. I am pursuing MBA from IIPR Bhopal. I have completed my graduation from Maharana Pratap PG College, Gadarwara. I have done my schooling from New Age Public School, Gadarwara. It's a CBSE affiliated school. Let me tell you about my family. I came from a nuclear family in which my father is in government services, my mother is a school teacher, and my younger sister is in 12th class. And about my hobbies are singing, dancing, sketching, painting, and I like cooking. I every time try new dishes. I do listen music to calm myself. For my achievements, I don't have many achievements, but when I was in school, I have achieved first rank in 200 meters race 2-3 times, and I was a kho player. I had my own yellow house team. I also went for district level 200-meter race. My first goal is to polish myself in these 2 years so that I can achieve the life I've always dreamed of. Here are some clips and photos of my hobbies. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Manish Chauhan. I am pursuing MBA in Section 6. I would like listening music and reading books, playing cricket and volleyball. I like to know about business ideas. All these things make me happy. Thank you.
So, hello, I am Murdhanya Mishra and I am from section 6. Now, what makes me feel happy is to spread happiness or to help someone. As I already said in my class, I am a state level NSS volunteer, so my motive is always not me but you. It means मैं नहीं मगर आपकी भावना. Also, I am organized blood donation camp in 2016 and 2017 from my last college, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, with my NSS team, and almost we collect 106 unit blood and donate it to Hamidia Hospital, Bhopal. Also, I am planting almost 96 tree with my NSS team in Barkatullah University in a single day. So working on social cause or motives gives me happiness, because I think working on today's social cause or motive maybe tomorrow towards a better world, city and society. So yes, if my working is giving to someone else happiness, so that makes me feel happy. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
My name is Deependra Mathuria, Section 6. What's make you happy? Happy was like watching a TV, the Kapil Sharma show, Indian Idol, and meeting old friends, travel and visiting new places, spend time with friends and family. I would like to sing a song. Please enjoy it. बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो न साथ मेरे बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो न साथ मेरे रंपायरे रंपायरे रा 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 रे रा रे रंपायरे रंपायरे रा 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 रे रा रे राहों में तुमको जो धूप सताए छाँव बिछा देंगे हम अंधेरे डराए तो जाकर फलक पे चांद सजा देंगे हम चाहे उदासी तो फिर गुनगुना के तुझको हंसा देंगे हम हंसते हंसाते यूं ही गुनगुनाते चलेंगे चार कदम ये ला 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 ला।
Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Soni and I am from Section 6. Right now I am pursuing MBA from Hyper College, as you all know. Now I will talk about what makes me happy. So musics make me happy. Whenever I feel sad or feel happy, I always listen music. And I also love to sing also. And right now I will sing a song for you guys. I hope you like it. And the song name is My Future by Belle Eilish. So here I go. I can't seem to focus, and you don't seem to notice I'm not here. I'm just a mirror. You check your complexion to find your reflection all alone. I had to go. Can't you hear me? I'm not coming home. Do you understand? I've changed my plans, 'cause I'm in love with my future. Can't wait to meet her. And I'm in love, but not with anybody here. Just wanna get to know myself. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Shweta Batham. I am in section 6. I am from Bhopal. I complete my graduation in 2020 from Newton College. So the task is what makes me happy. And firstly, I am very thankful to all college faculty members and class coordinator for giving me this opportunity. I am a sketch artist. I have shown you my some sketches. And that things in myself makes me happy. I hope you like this video. Thank you.
Hello all of my respected sir and ma'am. My name is Vikas Pandey and currently I am pursuing MBA in your college Institute of Professional Education and Research, and I am a student of MBA section 6, and the task is what we make happy, so that is playing harmonium and singing music. I get a lot of pleasure in singing music and playing harmonium because it relieves my stress, and I am very happy in this. After my studies I am very happy in this. I am presenting a very short presentation for my playing harmonium. Thank you. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, जिसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन जाने मन Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to introducing myself. My name is Ashwani Malviya. My father's name is Jairam Malviya. My father is a farmer. I live in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. My qualifications are: I completed my graduation, Government Arts and Commerce College, Bhopal, and I pursuing MBA in IPAR Bhopal. My hobbies are driving, travels, and I love to dance. My favorite game is a cricket. My short-term goal is to get a good job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. That's all about me. Thank you so much again.
Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar Shikro. I'm from Ganjwasada in Madhya Pradesh. I'm pursuing my MBA in IPAR College Bhopal, section 6 of 25th batch. There are many things that make me happy, like traveling, watching movies, playing video games. But the thing that make me the happiest is weightlifting. When I was in 9th standard, I requested my father to let me join a gym. At first he unsure, but then looking at my dedication, he agreed. I learned to focus and achieve my goal in the gym. I found many mentors who taught me many things about weightlifting and life as well. Eating healthy and lifting weight makes me good feeling about my body, makes me confident and disciplined. That makes me happy.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ayush Tiwari and I'm from Section 6. The thing which makes me happy is bodybuilding and traveling. In bodybuilding, it makes me fit, healthy. It helps in reducing stress. It improves my confidence and make me look good. In traveling, I like to explore new places, make new friends, and it improves my creativity, and that makes me a happier and joyful person.
This is made of used bottles.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prince Sarvaria and I am in section 6. I am from Gwalior. I have done my schooling from Pragati Vidyapeeth School. I have pursued my BCom from Gandhi PR College. Currently I am pursuing MBA from Hyper College and I have been living in Bhopal for around 5 years. And as you guys know, this video is about happy when I am happy and what makes me happy. So there are few things that makes me happy. So the first one is मेरी माँ के हाथ का बना हुआ खाना. जब भी मैं वो खाता हूँ, I feel really blessed. And the other one is whenever I spend some time with my friends for games, especially cricket, and that time I feel really refreshed and happy. And I love photography too. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.
My name is Mohammad Talha Mansoori. I am in section 6 pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal. I have completed my graduation from All Saints College of Science and Technology in Bachelor of Business Administration. I have completed my schooling from All Saints School CBSE Gandhinagar, Bhopal. And my father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife. And my hobby is to play cricket. I love cricket and cricket gives me happiness. I have played under 18, under 19 from All Saints School also. Right now I am standing in Babeli Stadium. I have played so many matches here. Let's take a look on my ground and my pitch. Now this is my batting turn. You can just see